Hello, my friends, and welcome. I have a cute book for you tonight. It's called Pigs Love Potatoes. And if you're learning about the letter P, you'll hear that P sound a lot in this book. Or if you're learning about counting from 1 to 10, you'll see a lot of counting also. And then another thing I really like about the book is that it has a lot of rhyming words. So you'll hear the rhythm and the rhyme of the words that have the same middle and ending sound throughout the book to make a pretty little rhythmic story. Pigs Love Potatoes by Anika Denise and Christopher Denise. Let me show you the inside cover. Don't those look like a bunch of potatoes? Pigs love potatoes. And this is our title page with the title and the author and the illustrator. This was written for our little piggies, Sophia and Isabel, who bring life and laughter to our kitchen every day from Mom and Dad. Isn't that cute? So they dedicated this book to their children. One pig wants potatoes, so Mama starts to cook. Then one pig's little brother decides to come and look. Do you see him sneaking a peek? Now two pigs want potatoes and soon begin to yelp. So Mama scolds her two pigs and tells them they must help. Two pigs wash potatoes while Mama gets a pan. When two pigs' little sister sings, "Catch me if you can." Now three pigs peel potatoes and Mama gets a spoon to stir the three potatoes that will be boiling soon. Just then, Papa Piggy comes through the big brown door. He sits down at the table, making three pigs into four. So do you see Papa got home from work? Now four pigs peel potatoes. Look what they're doing with the potato peels. Papa's a good papa. And four pigs sit and wait. When four pigs' next door neighbor comes strolling through the gate. Now five pigs want potatoes, plus Mama makes it 6. That's quite a few potatoes that Mama has to fix. Do you hear how that 6 and fix rhyme? Then 3 more little piggies show up just in time, and Mama adds potatoes 7, 8, and 9. So 6 plus 3 more makes 9. 9 potatoes for 9 piggies, says Mama with a grin. Add one more for good measure. Splash! In goes number 10. Well, since pigs love potatoes, to Mama's great delight, the very piggies eat each and every bite. The only thing that Mama tells her piggies they must do is kiss her cheek and clear their plates when piggies are all through. And this is the end of the book as the baby piggies are taking their plates to the kitchen sink. And that is Pigs Love Potatoes. Do you want to see something funny? Do you know who I was reading to tonight besides you? Can you see my puppy right there? She likes bedtime stories too. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the book and I hope you'll come back for another one. I love to read to you. See you soon and keep reading.